Air around us. All living things need air to live. We breathe in air. Air cannot be seen. However, it can be felt as wind or breeze. What does air contain? Air has many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. It also contains water vapor, dust, smoke, and germs in it. Air has water vapor. After some time, check your palm. Your palm will be dry. Why does it happen? Where does the water go? The water changes into water vapor. Then, the water vapor mixes with the air. We dry out wet clothes in the sun. The heat from the sun changes the water present in the wet clothes into water vapor. This water vapor mixes with the air. Similarly, water from ponds, lakes, rivers and seas is turned into water vapor by the heat of the sun. It then becomes a part of the air. So, we can say, air contains water vapor. Air has dust. If you watch sunlight coming in through a window, you can see very tiny dust particles floating in it. Have you seen the air while a sweeper sweeps the road? The dust mixes in the air and rises up. We can also see dust on chairs and tables if we do not clean them every day. So, we say, air has dust in it. Air has smoke. When we burn something, it gives out smoke. This smoke mixes with the air. So we say, air has smoke in it. Chimneys of factories also give out smoke. Vehicles also give out smoke. Smoke makes the air dirty and impure. Smoke is seen as black or grey fumes in the air. Air carries germs. Air has very tiny living things in it which keep floating in the air. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. Most of them cause diseases when they enter our body. These harmful living things are called germs. When a person coughs or sneezes without covering his or her mouth, some germs come out and mix with the air. So, you should always use a handkerchief when you cough or sneeze, because these germs then enter our body through our breath and we may fall sick. Clean and fresh air. Our lungs need fresh air to remain healthy. Dust, smoke, and germs make the air impure. We must breathe clean and fresh air. To make the air clean and fresh, we should plant trees near our house. We should keep the windows open to let the fresh air in. We should spend some time in parks to get fresh air. The air in the parks is fresh due to the presence of plants. Plants act as a filter for the air. The air is fresh early in the morning. Properties of air. Air takes up space. Air can be filled in footballs, tires, pillows, and swimming tubes. Wind. We cannot see air, but when it moves, we can feel it. The moving air is called wind. On some days, the wind blows gently. This gentle wind is called breeze. On some days, the wind is very strong. The strong wind causes a storm. A storm can break off branches of trees and even uproot big trees and poles. Storms at seas can sink ships. Wind has direction. On a windy day, observe the trees. You can see the branches moving in the direction of the wind. So we say, the wind has direction. A weather vane or weathercock tells us the direction of the wind. Wind and air is useful. Balloons and kites fly in the air with the help of wind. Birds also move with the help of air of wind. The wind makes a sailboat move on water. Fishes breathe due to the air present in water. The force of the wind helps a windmill to work. Windmills help to pump water, grind grains, and produce electricity. Wind makes clouds move. Wind carries small seeds to new places.